Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. Sorry about my kind of messy table right now, but I got something exciting to show you. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much everyone. All your wonderful comments, all your thumbs up. They really do keep me going, so please keep them coming. Okay, Greg's been super busy on his 3D printer. He's made me some levelers. I call them level ups. And I'm actually on this video going to be giving away a set of 4. These are so cool. And I even pay the shipping. So if you see this video, you're watching, and you want to get some, you're going to have to comment level up in my comments. Everybody that levels up commented, I will put you in a draw and we'll do it. What is today? Excuse me, I had to clear my throat. Today, let's say November 15th. That basically gives us 16 days of this video being up. I'm not a huge channel, so you have a huge chance of winning. And I will again send you 4 of these. They're called level ups, that's what I'm calling them. And I'll try and get a side view of it. This part goes in the canvas area. I have them taped down because you can't slide them in on the board. What are these called? Cradle boards. That's what they're called. Cradle boards don't have a lip like a canvas does. So on a canvas one, you would just slide it in and it sits right there in the corner of your canvas. And to level it up or down, there's this little thing that you spin and it'll go up or down. It's just so simple. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to level this guy. So I have all 4 of these stuck in here. Now my spinner's probably not that level, but that's okay. This is just an example. So this little nut on here, hopefully you can see it on the side camera, can you? But there's a little nut. You just spin it and it goes up or it goes down. Okay, so my level's on here. I'm just going to spin my little guy, and that was so easy. It's level. Just awesome. Okay, so these are called level ups. And again, I'll ship 4 of these to one of my viewers that wants some. Super easy to use. I've used them when I'm doing my resin as well, and they're just awesome. So these little guys that look like a little dollhouse table is actually levels for your canvas or your cradle boards. They'll work for both. Alrighty, now let's get started doing a painting. Hopefully I explained that well enough. I'll probably show another video in a couple days of something else he makes or some more of these. Who knows? I really like to help other artists, so I hope anybody that's watching that needs to be able to level up your canvases or level for resin, put the comment level up down below. And even do me a favor, share it on one of your Facebook or anything. Share my video for me, get the word out. And we are working on kits. Those will be future though. It's a very new process for split cups, wipe sheets, the levels. I am working on a kit, so watch for future videos on that one, but it's weeks away before we even have that organized. Okay, let's do a video. Let me put this guy away. Put my painting away. This little painting, by the way, was done with acrylic inks. That's it. Just acrylic inks. You just drop it on, swirl it around, let it dry. It's actually quite pretty. Always trying out new things. Okay, let me put my level out of my way and let's get started on a painting. I'm going to be doing boom gels. Just in love with the boom gels. White house paint right out of the can. I just have it poured in a jar to make it easier. And my boom gels are dark blue pearlescent, the limited edition emerald, eucalyptus green, native violet purple, Also limited edition Dusty Rose. I just got these in, so got to try them out. Pearlescent Violet and Pearlescent Pink. I think that's pretty much everything I'm going to use. Yes, it is. Alrighty, let's get some fun happening. Okay, hun, hit some music. I hope you all enjoy.
Got the feeling in your bones, make you feel right at home. Honey, does it well, keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I could run a mile like this, head over heels, feels like bliss. The sun has got me on my track, I ain't ever looking back. I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back. Inside the depths of stone, voice will echo, need no phone. Ruled by the laws above, nature shows me, makes me taught. I could climb this mountain now, rise above the clouds and see. Well, oh, the falls have kept me strong, never did I mean no wrong. 'Cause I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking. Ooh, ain't looking back. Ooh, ain't looking back. Ooh, ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back.
We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah. I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side, I'm out on Bonnie and Clyde. I need my partner in crime, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me and I don't